Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn most important MCQ on budget in the parliament. Your first question, the annual financial statement of India is known as the correct answer budget. The union budget is the annual financial statement showing estimated receipts and expenditure for the financial year. Next question. The union budget is presented in the parliament under which article of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer, Article 112. Next question. Who presents the union budget in the parliament? Correct answer, Finance Minister. The Union Finance Minister presents the budget in the Lok Sabha on behalf of the Government of India. Next question. When is the union budget usually presented in India? Correct answer, 1st February. Since 2017, the union budget is presented on 1st February every year to ensure timely implementation from the beginning of the financial year. Next question. The financial year in India starts on? Correct answer, 1st April. The financial year in India runs from 1st April to 31st March. Next question. Who prepares the Union Budget of India? Correct answer, Ministry of Finance. The Economic Affairs under Ministry of Finance is primarily responsible for preparing the Union Budget. Next question. The first Union Budget of Independent India was presented by? Correct answer, R.K. Shanmugam Shetty. R.K. Shanmugam Shetty presented the first Union Budget of Independent India on 26 November 1947. Next question. What is the vote on account? Correct answer, a provision for meeting expenditure for a short period. Vote on account allows the government to meet expenses for a limited period until the full budget is passed. Next question. Which House of Parliament can reject the Union Budget? Correct answer, only Lok Sabha. The Rajya Sabha can discuss the budget but cannot reject or amend it. Only the Lok Sabha has financial powers. Next question. The appropriation bill authorizes the government to? Correct answer, withdraw money from the Consolidated Fund of India. Next question. In the Indian Constitution, the term budget is not mentioned. Instead, which term is used? Correct answer, annual financial statement. The term budget is not used in the Indian Constitution. Instead, Article 112 refers to the annual financial statement, which contains the estimated receipts and expenditure of the Government of India for a financial year. This statement is popularly called the Union Budget. Next question. Before 2017, how many types of budget were presented by the Government of India and which committee recommended their merger? Correct answer, 2. Railway Budget and General Budget, Vivek Debroy Committee. Earlier, India had two separate budgets, General Budget, Railway Budget. In 2017, on the recommendation of the Vivek Debroy Committee, Both budgets were merged into a single union budget to streamline the process and improve coordination. Your last question. After the presentation of the union budget, which bill is introduced to authorize the government to withdraw money from the Consolidated Fund of India? Correct answer, Appropriation Bill. The Appropriation Bill is introduced after the demands for grants of various ministries are voted upon by the Lok Sabha. It authorized the withdrawal of funds from the Consolidated Funds of India to meet the expenditure approved by Parliament. This ensures that no money is spent without the sanction of Parliament, maintaining the principle of parliamentary control over public finance. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel.